Hello friends, this is my last topic of join, create view with joins. Okay, so what is view? First need to understand this. View is a virtual table. If we need some query, if we write some query which is complicated and we have to use the result of that query again and again. So what we need to do, we just store that result of that query as a view, as a table. So uh, what we are doing here, create view, named of view is order details as customer name, segment, sales and product category, subcategory. We are using here three-way join for three tables from table name, inner join, table name 2 and on the attribute name. Inner join, another one table on the attribute, on the link field. So we are using here three-way table. So instead of writing it again, what we need to do, we need to do, we need to do is save it as create view. View is there until or unless we are going to delete it. This is the main difference between CTE, common table expression and view. View is there until or unless we are going to delete it. But common table expression is nowhere after executing that query. CT is only for that particular query and view is for the time we want to use that particular query instead of writing again and again. So if we are creating view by using three tables on some attribute. So this is a three-way join. So it's a typical query, I guess. So how to write? So we have already created this after executing this. Now if we want to see the attribute of select star from order details. What is order details? Order details is a view we created, but view result of view is stored as a table. So if we want to see the all the attributes, how we will see? See, okay. So this is actually a table, virtual table. Now we don't want to see entire table, entire order details, but just we want to see some attributes only. So what we need to do, we just want customer name, product category, order quantity, subcategory from order details. So if you want to use some filters, some where, some group by, some means if you want to extract the data on some conditions, then you can easily do here. There is no difference, basically there is no difference between the table here and this one virtual table. Okay. So you can use it in the way you want. This is the beauty of view and it does not occupy the space anywhere. So this is all about view from my side and this is the last topic from my side for joins. So from my side join is finished. If you want any kind, if you really want any kind of query, if you have, then please message me, please let me know what kind of help you really require. So please friends go for more and more practice with joins. Joins is an important topic for interview perspective. Okay. So I hope you understood how to create view. What is the difference between CTE and view? CTE is for that particular query and view is there when up to you want. So you can use any type of filter, any type of clause with view. It's it will behave like normal table here. Okay, please go for more and more practice using some filter, some conditions with view here. Use some filter, use some where, group by, order by, and do more practice. Okay, friends. Thank you so much. From my side, joins is complete.